Hey YouTube, thanks so much for watching my green smoothie video. It's a pretty basic recipe. First, cut up and freeze 2 bananas. You want to freeze them for at least an hour. These are Cavendish bananas. Fun fact, up until the mid 20th century, Cavendish bananas weren't really used. Primarily Gros Michel, but they got Panama disease, so the industry in the United States changed. When I buy bananas, I already know the code is 4011. I don't have to look it up. Garden fresh vegetables. Everyone needs this. I know I certainly do. Baby spinach. Bright light Swiss chard. Colors equal vitamins. This is Prism kale, it's a new variety. There's an old saying, healthy people eat vegetables, busy people drink them. It's so true. In a blender, add 2 cups of almond milk. I'll be making nut milk videos in the near future with no preservatives. Add the greens, about at least a big handful, the more the better. Blend it on high for about 2 minutes. Really chop up the greens. I'm using a preset for smoothies, so the time is approximate. A few minutes later, add the frozen bananas on top. At the end of this video, you can see me up in a tree. When the recipes are done, I don't really like to fade out the music. Just let it play, and whatever I have on hand, I'll just play it at the end. Blend it again for another 2 minutes or so. And it's ready to drink. So refreshing, so healthy. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Have a great day.